In this video, let's learn about data type conversion in C#. There are two types of data conversion in C#. One is implicit conversion, the other one is explicit conversion. Implicit conversion or automatic conversion will happen only when the destination data type can hold the source data type. That is, automatic or implicit conversion will happen when there is no data loss while assigning the source value to the destination value. For example, if you are trying to convert an integer value to a long value, then there will be no data loss. So, this conversion will take place implicitly. If your program attempts to assign a long value to an integer value, then we'll get a compiler error because data loss will happen. The destination data type is smaller than the source data type. In that case, you have to explicitly convert the data type. This is known as typecasting. Let's look at the examples for automatic conversion and explicit conversion. In this program, I have integer value variable, and the data type of this variable is int, and I have long value variable. It is of data type long. It converts an integer variable to a long variable. That is, there will be no data loss because long data type can hold a larger range value. So there will be no data loss. If I execute the program, I am getting this output. The integer variable is converted to a long variable. This happens due to implicit conversion. There is no data loss, so implicit conversion takes place. Now, let's see another scenario. I am declaring a double variable. And I am declaring a float variable. And I am assigning the double value to float. I will get a compiler error. Cannot implicitly convert type double to float. An explicit conversion exists. So, there is a data loss if we try to convert a data type from double to float. So, implicit conversion will not take place in these scenarios. You have to include so there should be explicit conversion. We have to use typecasting. You have to specify the data type inside the parenthesis. The destination data type should be specified inside the parenthesis. Then we can execute the program. Now we are getting the value 1.2 assigned to the float value. Now consider the next scenario. I am declaring a variable of data type int. I am declaring the variable age of a student and its data type is int. I am getting the input from the user.
I am assigning the value entered by the user to integer variable age of a student. I am getting a compiler error here. Not implicitly convert type string to int. That is, console.readLine is returning a string variable, but I am assigning it to a integer variable. So we have to make an explicit conversion here. Convert.toInt can be used to explicitly convert the data type. Convert.toInt can be used to convert a string data type to an integer data type. Now I am executing the program. The output got disappeared. I am including the statement console.readLine so that you can see the output. Okay, now I am getting the output age is 30. Instead of using convert.toInt, you can also use parse method in 32.parse. This also converts a string data type to an integer data type. See? The string which I have entered is converted to int.
Hope you liked the video. Continuation of C# programming will be released in upcoming videos. Thank you.